So hello guys, that was the quick sound test of my Freebird 60. I know you missed the Freebird 60. I haven't displayed this keyboard in the channel for quite some time because that was my main driver in my hospital, in my clinics. Yes, I am a doctor, right? Um, right here, right now with the Freebird 60 are the Akko Cream Yellows V3, and I wanted you guys to remember the sound, how good these switches are. I hyped these switches around 7 months ago, and now my V3 Cream Yellow Pro switches are on their way for the review. I will be comparing the V3 Pro versus the old V3 Cream Yellow, and I will tell you my thoughts if it is worth the upgrade. So for now, enjoy the sound test. Baby Groot says hi. I'll see you in the next video.